وبركاته. Math grade 9 Algebra 1. We are in Model 4, Lesson 3, Slope and Intercept 4. So before we will start in this lesson, we have some extra practice from the previous lesson. Rate of change and slope. We solved number 1 and 2. And we will continue here from number 4. From number 4. The question said, determine whether the function is linear. If it is, state the rate of change. I want from all now to write this question in your notebook and try to know if this function linear or not linear. Start, please. Number 4. Who can remember us how to know if the function linear here in this case?
If it had the same number, 2.
Yes,
If it
good.
changes, it's not linear.
Good, Sultan. Yes, who has different answer?
It's not linear. It's not linear.
Salam like that.
It's not linear.
Not linear. Thank you, Milad. Who can remember us how to know if linear or not? Yes, Salim.
The number is plus the same, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Also, the y. If they are the same, it is the linear.
Great, thank you, Salim. Yes, Ahmed?
It's non-linear because of the y. 11 plus 1, 12, but 12 plus 2, 12. Okay, so it's not correct.
Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, listen to me, please. If we study the values of x, as you see here, 2 then 4 means 2 plus 2 equal 4. 4 plus 2 equal 6. 6 plus 2 equal 8. And 8 plus 2 equal 10. And here in the values of the y, we have 11, then 12, so plus 1. 12, then 14, so plus 2. 14, then 18, so plus 4. Then plus 8. So as you see here from the first value between x and y, rate of change 11/2. Who can remember us how to find the rate of change?
We divide x over 1.
Y over x. Right over and change in the y divide by change in the x. And here 12 over 4 equal 3. So as you see, we have different rate of change. So means not linear. Okay, try to solve number 5.
So it's linear.
Linear. Thank you, Milad. Who has different answer?
Linear.
Linear.
Linear. Linear. Okay, listen please. -4, then -2 means you have plus 2. -2, 0 means plus 2. 0, 2 means plus 2. 2, 4 means plus 2. Now down, -7, -2 means plus 5. -2 plus 3 means plus 5. 3 to 8 plus 5. 8 to 13 plus 5. So the rate of change will be 5/2. So means we have constant rate of change, means this is linear. This is linear. Because here 5/2 over 2 here, 5/2 here. So we have the same rate of change at all values. So it means we have constant rate of change. Okay? Keep it as a fraction because this ratio. What is the difference between rate of change and slope? Yes. How to because how to find the rate of change in the y over change in the x? What is the value of what is the change in the y here? And what is the change in the x? So that change in y over 2. The change in the change in the y here, 1 over, and here 2 over, here 4 over, and here 8 over. So we have different rate of change, means not linear. Right. The question now, find the slope of the line that passes through each pair of points. Who can remember us how to find the slope? M equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I want from all to try to solve number 6, please. Find the slope. Thank you, Milad. Who has different answer?
Start 2.5.
Thank you, Kala.
Start 2.1.
Thank you. 2. Thank you. Okay. Represent here x1, y1, and here x2, y2. Then write the rule of the slope y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then substitute the value y2, as you see here, -3 minus y1, as you see, 7, and down x2 will be 1 minus x1, as you see here, will be 5. Then express -3, -7 will be -10, and down 1 minus 5 will be -4. Negative divide by negative positive,
2.4.
and you can do here simplest form.
5 over 2.
Divide by 2 will be 5 over 2 as a fraction, and as a decimal 2.5.
Yeah.
Okay, so try to solve number 17, please. Number 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, the same idea.
17.
Number 7, 8,
Well,
solve number 17. The all practice here, the same idea. Thank you, Falah. Mansur Ali, what is your answer?
7, 0,
Zero.
Answer my answer 0.
0. Thank you.
0.
Thank you, Sultan. Ali, what was your answer? Good. So the first step represents the values inside the points. Here x1, here y1, here x2, here y2. Then write the rule of the slope. M equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then substitute the values. What is the value of y2?
1.
1. As you see here, you have minus y1 also
1.
1. Down x2 will be 9 minus x1 will be 3.
3.
So 1 minus 1 will be 0, and 9 minus 3 will be 6. 0 over 6 will be
0.
0. Okay. Okay. But the question now, find the value of r. Find the value of r. We have variable here, we have unknown number, r. So the line that passes through each pair of points has the given slope. We have 2 points, but the value of x here unknown, and we know the slope. How to find the missing value? How to find the value of r here? So start from the same rule. Write the rule of the the slope m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then substitute. What is the value of m? Negative 3 over 5 equals to the value of y2, 4, minus what is the value of y1, 7, and down what is the value of x2, 3, minus what is the value of x1, r. Then express here. Here you have negative 3 over 5 equals 4 minus 7 will be minus 3, and down you have 3 minus r. How to solve this problem? We have proportional here. You can do a cross product. 3 times 3 minus r. And here you have negative, so you can write negative 3, open parenthesis, 3 minus r equals, and 5 times negative 3. Then use distribute here. Negative 3 times 3 will be negative 9. And negative 3 times negative r will be positive 3r. And in the second side, 5 times negative 3 will be negative 15. Then solve this equation. We want to remove negative 9, so you can add 9 to the two sides. Remains here 3r equals negative 15 plus 6 will be negative 6. Then divide the two sides by 3. Plus 9 here. Here plus 9. Negative 15 plus 9 will be what? Will be negative 6.
I question.
Okay. So then divide the two sides by 3. So r equal negative 2. Okay.
That's the way it goes for again, 5 times 8, 3 times.
Yes, 5 times negative 3. And the negative here for the numerator. So negative 3 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 3 minus r. Okay. Try to solve number 19, please, and the same idea.
Which number?
Number 19.
So the job 1 equals R.
R equal 1.
1 equal, yeah, 1 equal R.
Thank you, Sultan. Who has different answer?
Mr. R equals 1.
Thank you, Falah. Rashid, where is your notebook? And Salim?
1.
طالع أي شيء اكتب عليه. ما بتسمع حدا عم يقول لي ما عندي دفتر؟ نعم. 1. Thank you, عبد الله. لا، بتوجد الجواب هون بيطلع نيجاتيف 2 بعدين تعمل كروس برودكت ضغط تقاطعي.
R equals 1.
Thank you, Milad. طيب, listen please. Start from the same rule of the slope. Substitute the values. What is the value of m? 2 over 3 equals y2 will be 5 minus y1. y1 will be what? Will be r. Down x2 will be 7 minus x1 will be 1. Then express here 2 over 3 equals, up we have 5 minus r, and down we have 7 minus 1 will be 6. Then do a cross product. 2 times 6. 2 times 6 will be 12. And 3 times 5 minus r. 3 open parentheses, and write here 5 minus r. How to solve this equation? Use distribute. 3 times 5, 15, and the 3 times negative r will be negative 3r, and the same value in the first side. Then try to remove 15 from this side. So negative 15 here and negative 15 here. So it means here negative 3r, and here 12 minus 15 will be minus 3. Then divide the two sides by negative 3. So r equals 1. So the value of r will be 1. Great work. Try to solve number 20.
So where is y2 and y2 and y1 and x2 and x1?
We don't have. We don't have points. A construction company is building a roof on a house. The horizontal distance. What's the meaning of the horizontal distance? This from here to here, or from here to here. This is the horizontal distance. From the edge of the roof to the peak is 25. Here 25. And the vertical distance. The vertical distance means this distance, or this. From the edge of the roof to the peak is 6.25. What is the slope of the roof? Who can remember us what is the slope? How to find the slope? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or what? Rise over run. Rise means the change in the y. Where is the change in the y here? 6.25. And run means the change in the x. Where is the change in the x here? 25. Will be 1 over 4, or 0.25. Okay. If you divide 6.25 by 25, you will get 0.25. Or if you do simplest form, if you divide up and down by 25, here, uh, 625 over 100. What the meaning of 6.25? Means 625 over 100, and down you have 25. Means 625 over 100 times 1 over 25. 625 divided by 25. Up here remains 1. And down here remains what? Who can tell me? 625.
Divide by 1.
625 divided by 25 will be 25. And here we have 100. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yeah.
Divide is that one, that's divide is 25.
Why up, not down?
So gross product.
No, not correct. Uh, 6.25 as decimal. How to write as a fraction?
625 over 100.
Why?
Because this is we remove this.
Because the decimal after 2 digits. So we can write 625 over 100. And down we have 25.
So I'm sorry, يوم شغل فيه. ايه اسمع. والله يسلمك. والله يوم نظف فيه. والله حاط فوجه. هي فرضات. في منطقة. كان حد يجرب يستقسم كان حد يجرب
Write in your calculator 6.25 divided by 25.
Zero point four. 1/4.
Okay. And how to do the divide between two fractions or between a fraction and the whole number? Write the same numerator and take the reciprocal of the denominator. What is the reciprocal of 25? Will be 1 over 25. So 625 times 1 will be 625 over 2,500. And if you divide up and down by 625, you will get up 1, and down will be, you will get 4, or 0.25. لا انا حليتها، بس سالني سلطان انه كيف جبناها، يعني شو الطريقه هذه. لما بدك تحسبها على الكالكوليتر بشكل يدوي تحسب بهي الطريقه. تمام، واضح يا شباب؟ طن Is it clear for all the define of the rate of change and the slope? علي، منصور علي، منصور علي. طيب منصور جايين ننام هون بصير الكلام؟ الله يرضى عليك. تمام؟ اوكي. So our lesson today is slope and intercept for the same idea of the previous lesson. We want to learn in this lesson rewrite linear equation in slope and intercept form, and graph and interpret linear function. So I want from all in a new page write this title, please. Slope and intercept form. We have two new words in this lesson: parameter and constant function. Write this title, please. Writing linear equations in slope and intercept form. Write this title. Writing linear equations in slope and intercept form. The linear equation in slope and intercept form, we have this form: y equal mx plus b. Write please this form: y equal mx plus b. What's the meaning of m? Who can tell me what the meaning of m? The slope. And what the meaning of b? Y-intercept. Excellent. What the meaning of y-intercept?
0 in the x. Wait.
0 in the x and b in the y. But what the meaning of b? The intersecting point between the function and the y-axis. Just write the equation: y equal mx plus b. Then write here where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Just.
What?
X. Who can tell me what is Y and X? The value on the X axis and the value in the Y axis. And if you have function, X means domain and Y means range. Okay. Fine. Listen to this example, please. Write an equation in slope intercept for the line with a slope of 4/7 and y-intercept of 5. The first step, write the form y equal mx plus b. Then substitute the values. What is the value of m? 4/7. So write here 4/7x. And what is the value of b? Will be 5. So the equation will be y equal 4/7x plus 5. Write this example, please.
Sorry.
We will stop here today. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll continue this stuff. So this is our video for today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.